Well then guys, we haven't had any Alien news for a really long time, but today we've got some Alien 5 news. This is of course the cancelled movie from Neill Blomkamp, and we've not heard anything about this film for a really long time. It's, as far as we're all concerned, it's dead in the water. However, Neill Blomkamp, although he has been tight-lipped on this, shared via Instagram a brand new image, and this is completely official. This is of an alien sculpt that Studio ADI did for him to fit into his Alien 5 universe that he was creating. Now, as you can see, the design on a whole actually isn't that different. Now, it looks pretty much like the big chap alien, the first alien that we got in the original movie. However, if you look closely, it actually has a second set of arms, exactly like the alien queen did. So there's no real difference here, aside from the second set of arms. Everything else looks pretty much the same, but it was tweeted out or reposted with the caption, "Repost from Neill Blomkamp, who allowed us to play in his Alien 5 universe. Happy he's letting you all see some of the design work we did. There's no doubt in my mind you would have loved what Neill had planned." So it sounds like Studio ADI, at the very least, were briefed on an extensive amount of things which were planned for this Alien 5 project, which I'm sure a lot of people are aware has gone through numerous rumours from there was a script, there wasn't a script, you know, Ridley Scott taking the name of what the film was going to be for his next film, and all of this kind of nonsense. But that being said, it is an interesting design choice. Why would it have a second set of arms? Is it something similar to the Alien Resurrection aliens, that it was cloned from a queen, or who knows? But I thought I'd just bring you this news. What do you think about this? Let me know down below in the comment section. As always guys, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the world of pop culture and movie news. Big thank you to avpgalaxy.net, who I got this piece of news from. You can find them via the link in the description box as well. But anyway, and as always guys, I've been Mr. H, and I will catch you in the next video.